and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. This is my second video in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yes, I hope you've watched my birthday vlog. I posted that a week ago. That was the first vlog where I stepped out and met different people. Watch it here after you're done with this video. So I had gone out with a friend of mine in some areas in Mumbai which are not much known of. I had gone to Uttan Hill, then we went to a fort, and then we went to Greenery beach. So I filmed few shots while I was on the bike and few other shots while I was standing. There were so many beautiful scenes and I've put them all together for you. Just have to sit back and enjoy. Yo, it's breakfast time. Just look what I'm having. I'm having good and honey. Dieting, you see.
It was a rainy morning. My friend and I planned to leave at 5 a.m. To which I said, no, it would be so dark and there would be hardly anyone around. We left at about 6 a.m. I did not wear a helmet that day because I didn't have one, but I should have worn. This area looked so beautiful with the greenery. We reached the Uttan Hill. It was so calm. What you could hear was the chirping of birds. We then reached the fort. Don't exactly remember the name. Actually, it's somewhere near the fort. It's about the view here. So peaceful. The motorboats looked so beautiful. Now we are heading to the Greenery beach. The side of the beach I had gone to long back was crowded. But the side where we are going now is going to be different. Side was so much more cleaner and calmer. If you want to go here, let me know. I'll share more details with you. Also, make sure you get your friends along with you because this area looked slightly secluded. And please avoid this area after it gets dark. Stay safe. stopped here to have some chai. Look at these dogs.
I hope you guys liked it as much as I had fun editing it. Let me know how you liked it. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. Please hit the subscribe button. So we meet here next week with a new video. These are my social links. You can check them out. I generally post happy stuff and inspiration stuff. And yes, see you next time. Take care.